Welcome back! Summer's already turning the heat up on us, so stick around and I'm going to show you 4 elevated, very refreshing summer cocktails. Okay, so the first of our elevated summer cocktails is an original around here, at least this build, the Watermelon Margarita. Get a watermelon, cube it, 1 inch, 2 centimeter cubes, put in the freezer. 2 cubes of frozen watermelon, half an ounce of agave, 3/4 ounce of lime, 2 ounces of Repo, half a teaspoon of Dry Curaçao. Okay, then we're just gonna muddle to break up the watermelon pieces in here. We're not adding ice. The frozen watermelon is our ice. 10 seconds to chill. And garnish with that other chunk of pineapple. And garnish with that other chunk of watermelon. The watermelon is very clear, yet perfectly balanced by the lime, and the notes of the tequila come through as well. On to the rum. It's the ever popular Daiquiri, the original shaken Daiquiri. The Daiquiri is the simplest one today, calling for a light rum. I'm using Dorado 3-year, granulated sugar, and of course lime juice. 2 Barspoons of granulated sugar, 3/4 ounce fresh lime juice. Stir or swish it around as I do to dissolve the sugar, and 2 ounces of light rum. The rum you pick for your daiquiri is incredibly important. I went with the Dorado 3-year for its little bit of sweetness, aged for 3 years in barrels before I think it's charcoal filtered. Cheers. Very light barrel notes in it. Obviously the tang of the lime, but balancing those 2 Barspoons of granulated sugar. Next up, we're getting into gin, and my favorite riff of a riff. It's a riff of the John Collins. I think I made this up. I haven't seen it anywhere else. Let me know if it has a name. 3/4 ounce grenadine. Use a good quality grenadine, preferably house made. 1 ounce of lemon juice. 2 ounces of gin. I'm using Ford's gin. 1 Barspoon of Luxardo maraschino. Shake for 10 to 15 seconds. Pour in a Collins glass. I'm using a Collins Spear here. Top with soda water. The fruity tang of grenadine, dryness from the Luxardo maraschino. It's really quite delicious. Just light and refreshing enough. My absolute go-to gin cocktail on a hot summer day. Next up is vodka. Escape this hot summer with your fresh thoughts of spring with the Apple Vodka Limeade. Another original. Half an ounce of simple syrup. Half an ounce of fresh lime juice. Cut an apple into 8 equal slices. And muddle 3 of them in the tin. And 2 ounces of vodka. I'm using Sky. Shake for 10 to 15 seconds. Pour in your favorite Collins glass. Top with soda water. An additional slice for the garnish. This one just tastes like summer. On the palate, the apple is extremely crisp and refreshing and well balanced by the lime. Last but certainly not least is whiskey. We're going with bourbon and the Bourbon Renewal. Half an ounce of simple syrup. Half an ounce of creme de cassis. 1 ounce of lemon. 1 dash of Angostura. 2 ounces of bourbon. Thanks to Jonathan Gleason in the comments for the suggestion. Shake for 10 to 15 seconds. I totally forgot to mention The Bourbon Renewal is actually a Jeffrey Morgenthaler original, and it is amazing. I think it was done first on YouTube by Steve the Bartender, but I haven't seen anyone reference it as a summer cocktail. And with its fruity complexity, I think that it is just exactly what I think of as a bourbon summer cocktail. Please give it a shot. Let me know in the comments what you think about it. Click here for our most recent episode, The Clover Club. Click here for a playlist of a bunch of other amazing cocktails. And don't forget, the recipes are all down in the description. Thanks for watching.